Unfortunately, guys, we're just about a week off of the peak of hurricane season,
Right.
so still very active out there. We just had Jose yesterday.
Yeah.
Now we have Tropical Depression number 14, likely going to
Great.
become Tropical Storm Lee
Okay.
within the day. So a lot more going on out there. Here's the latest satellite imagery of Jose. Still a tropical storm this morning, and the closest to us here in the United States. We'll talk more about that track in a second, but let's go off to the east to talk about Tropical Depression number 14. It's only a few hundred miles off the coast of Africa now, so very, very far away from any other land masses right now, and still way too early to tell if it's going to impact any areas of land. But 80% chance of a similar system just off to the west of that of becoming named Maria by the time the weekend is out. So here's how it looks with Tropical Depression number 14, expected to strengthen to Tropical Storm Lee within the next 12 to 24 hours as it tracks off to the west-northwest. And then we got Tropical Wave Invest 96L. That's the one that's probably going to become Maria here. Computer models forecasting it towards the northern end of the Leeward Islands by the middle to end of next week. So certainly two areas to watch, and we're also going to be watching closely here Tropical Storm Jose that's completed its clockwise loop and is now heading off to the west and eventually to the north, strengthening to a Category 1 storm. That cone of uncertainty grows quite large at this time in the forecast game, but the westernmost edge of that very, very close to the Outer Banks, and yesterday it actually encompassed part of the Outer Banks. So we'll watch it as we go through the weekend to see just how close it makes it to the eastern seaboard.